It's a bit tight, isn't it?
Yeah.
300 yards.
Oh!
Turn left.
Well, we can't go back there, mate.
Oh dear. It's a bit tight down here, sweetie.
Well, you have to go back, love.
You
There's
could
no
go
way.
in that car park bit, love. She's not very good at driving. She's panicking. Just go on that drive.
Yeah, just back over here. Where's she going?
I don't know. On the drive, hopefully.
What on earth is she doing?
Don't know.
That's better.
Say thank you for the window. Thank you! Oh fuck. Oh no, there's a van. Is he stuck?
Come on.
Depends which way he's going. Oh, he's going back. He could have come up this way.
Which way is that map taking us down here?
Yeah, got to turn left in 0.1. Here. I think this is where we've got to go.
This is the entrance, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. Gonna record?
Recording, yeah. Which point number one then?
Yeah.
It's number one.
Number one?
Is that number one?
That's number one?
Where's the... We just stick it on the grass, do we?
Yeah, I think so.
Which is the door? This side. Which way do you want the door? Which way do you want the door this point now?
Yeah. Yes. Oh, there's another old one over there, look.
On the door on this... on your side then, yeah?
Yeah. That's all our pitch, so.
Yeah, I'll reverse on. Right, we're at the campsite, guys. It's not too bad. Not too bad, it's okay here. And yeah, got some other camper vans around us. We're on pitch number one here. We'll take a video a bit later and show you the pitch that we're on. But yeah, right, let's settle in, see what it's like. There we go, there's the motorhome on the pitch. Grass is a bit long on the pitch like, but yeah, it's a nice big pitch. Plenty of room on here. Get loads in here, look. Get even bigger RV on here if you wanted to. So no issues at all. Got electric hookup, and we've got water. There's no shower, toilet, that kind of thing on the site. Just very basic. But yeah, it's fine. Does the job. Well, we've just arrived at the campsite, our local stop, and we just parked up. All going quite well so far. First cup of tea on the go. What's it like, Sam, to make the first cup of tea in the motorhome?
Very good. Very good. Now everything's out and sorted.
Excellent. Here we go.
Cup of tea.
Oh, that's the entrance to the campsite. Have a quick walk down the road, see what we can see. Take the old Shelby for a walk. Oh, it's nice and quiet here. Yeah, it's just this track. Yeah, it's because on for quite some time. Quite narrow, quite difficult to get in. Back there when we came to the campsite. I think you'd struggle if you had a caravan to get round that corner. I think it's a site really for motorhomes. Certainly the way we came in anyway. Right, let's have a look up here. So this is Cleat Hill Farm. Let's go and have a look in here, Samantha, yeah? See what we can see. So this is next door to our site. And this is a Caravan and Motorhome Club site, a CL. Let's open the gate. And beyond the gate, we've got a big long driveway. Okay. So we're in the campsite, and somewhere around here there's a lake or a big pond or something, so not sure exactly where it is. Just gonna have a walk up here, see if we can find it.
She don't like it.
Yeah, I'm not going across that bridge, she says. Go on, mate.
You coming with Mummy? Oh, it's a bit overgrown.
Well, there was nothing on the other side of that bridge other than overgrown field, so that's not what we're looking for. Let's go back this way, so we can see if we can find this lake or pond, whatever it is that I've seen on the overhead map. And there's the campsite, or part of it, Cleat Farm. So it's just come through a hole in the hedge there. Now I've got to climb this hill. Samantha's beating me to it. Oh yes, there it is. Oh, that's big, isn't it? Like a... What did that guy say, Sam? It's a reservoir for the poultry farm or something.
No, just for the farm.
Yeah, there's a farm there, look. I think it's for the for that.
Oh, we're over there.
Where? Oh yeah. Oh, there's our campsite, yeah. We can zoom in. Yeah, there's our campsite there. Very good. Lovely day, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Shall we walk round it?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
I know how much you like water, but it's down there. Come on.
Leave that. Well, that's the first night's sleep, and let's see what it's like to have a shower for the first time in the motorhome. So, here we go. Yep, boiler's working. Here we go. Well, that was great. That was a brilliant shower. Better than home. The water was going down the hole, no problem. After I pulled the plug thing up, of course, I forgot all about it. I thought there was a lot of water coming in here. I forgot I hadn't pulled the plug up. But yeah, that's great. The other thing I'd say is that you have to shut this door over like this, because we've got the curtains open at the back. So yeah, I think you sort of have to have a shower before you open the curtains up, I think. But hey ho, we'll learn and live with that. And the next snag item, we did have a curtain up here, but Samantha just opened the curtains and it's fell off. So that's down here now. So I know what we're going to do with that. So we'll fix that in a second. There we go. Cable tie on each end, and then Rob will put a block or something back here just to stop the pole from riding out. Jobs are good. And this is on the way to a field where the dog can have a walk. Come on, Shelby. Shelby. Shelby, come on. Yeah, there we go. It's a nice field. A bit overgrown, but yeah, the dog can have a walk here. What are you doing? Go on. Go on in. Yeah. Nice big space. Shelby, Shelby, Shelby. Yeah, she run off. Right, it's lunchtime. Try to, well, let's see, try this hob out for the first time. Well, cooking something on it for the first time. Oh, no gas. Well, it is. It's not lighting.
Oh dear.
Well, there's a fail, isn't it? Oh, there we go. Don't know what was happening there.
I only turned it halfway. I thought that was
right.
full.
Okay.
Oh, you have to turn it.
So it does
Whoa.
work. Cool. We have a gas cooker. Yay.
Well, how long the gas will last is another matter.
Right, time for some lunch then. Beans and toast.
Right, the fridge is doing really well. It's really cold. The ice block's what I put in yesterday just to travel to keep the food cold till we put the fridge on. It's still frozen. That's really good.
Very good.
So I realised the quiche was frozen earlier, so I took it out, chopped it up and defrosted it.
So this is in the fridge, isn't it?
In the fridge. And I've took the salad stuff out, and the cucumber and the radishes are
frozen.
frozen. So that's got to go in the bin.
Well, at least we know the new fridge works.
Yeah,
Just
so
too well.
John's only got tomatoes and new potatoes now instead of a whole salad.
Okay. Oh well.
And I've just remembered there's cold slaw in the fridge, but it's
Frozen solid coleslaw.
So I think the fridge needs to be turned down quite a bit.
I think you're right.
Because tea's now very sparse.
Okay, so one of the snag items we've got is we think if we leave this curtain down like this, it's going to stay wet on the bottom. So we're going to have a go at putting an adhesive hook back here and see if we can hold the curtain off the ground, like so. So let's have a go. In fact, Samantha's had a better idea. Rather than using an adhesive hook, which might come off with the condensation in the shower, I've used what's that, a hairband, Sam? What's that called? Yeah. Hair bubble, just to lift the there we go, lift the curtain off the ground. Job done.
Job's a good one.
Yeah, another snag item we've got to look at is the kitchen worktop where the sink is. We've got a bit of a separation here between two pieces of wood. So, I mean, the only thing we're going to be able to do there is to rub some oil into it, just to stop any water from getting into it and making things worse. But yeah, a bit of a close-up. Yeah, we'll sort it. Right, that's the end of our little trip for a couple of nights. What do you think of it, Samantha?
Not bad. A few issues, but not bad.
Yeah, as you've seen in the video, we've picked up a few bits and pieces that we need to sort out. Sure, keep Rob busy this next week, Rob. Okay, Rob. And yeah, a few little niggles, nothing serious. Yeah, probably less than I expected, to be honest. I expected to pick up more issues than that. But,
it's not. It wasn't too bad.
Gone really
really,
well,
yeah.
In terms of the trip, it's been really good, isn't it?
Yeah, very quiet.
Very quiet.
And it's so
Quiet
dark
campsite.
at night. It was lovely.
Yeah.
It was pitch black. It was.
Yeah, it's like these curtains you've got, a lot blackout curtains, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're really good. No light in here whatsoever overnight.
No lights outside though, was there?
Yeah. So yeah, it's been a really good trip. Quiet little campsite. And until the next video then, when we're away, I think the next time we're away is going to be June the 10th.
Yeah.
Yeah, and for those who are missing Rob the Builder, he will be there.
Yes,
so
he will.
So look out for that one. Yeah, June the 10th, 11th, 12th,
Yeah.
at Spilsby with Andy and Jan from Many Fun Adventures. And actually, before we go,
Camper van Gaz.
Camper van Gaz as well. He'll be there as well.
Yeah.
Before we go, I do want to say a big thank you, because we wouldn't be here now without 3 people in particular, 3 YouTubers in particular. So I'm going to mention them now, and that is Helen and Carl from Roman and Raymond. Big inspiration for getting us through this project, watching what they're doing on their blogs. Brilliant. Andy and Jan, they go to some amazing places, really cheap as well. Good couple to watch, good fun. And the original inspiration for us was Stephen from from Country. I'll get his name mixed up now because he's changed it. Country Van Life UK, used to be Country Van Life TV. Big thank you for Stephen. I mean, we were watching his Anglesey vlogs before we bought this motorhome, and I think that was the big driver, wasn't it, Sam, for us to
yeah, and also the American couple we watched, because they've got an RV very similar to this one, and
Endless Adventures. Or
yeah,
like that.
Endless Adventures, and they've done their RV up, and ours is very similar, but theirs is, they've done a different layout to us. But
yeah, that's right.
Yeah, then it was like theirs is a big old bus like this, so then watch those.
Yep. So look out for those guys. If you haven't subscribed to those people, make sure you do. All right, take care everyone, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Bye.